To connect your GoDaddy domain to Shopify, follow these simple steps to ensure a seamless integration. First, open a new browser tab and log into your GoDaddy account. Once logged in, navigate to your domain portfolio. From there, select the domain you want to connect to your Shopify store. Next, you'll need to update your DNS settings. Start by adjusting your records. Click on the DNS option to open the DNS management page. Find the existing record, which is typically marked with @ as the host. Click the pencil icon next to it to edit. Enter the following details. For name records, find the existing record for www or create a new one if it doesn't exist. Again, click the pencil icon to edit and enter the following. Now, log into your Shopify admin. Go to Settings and click on Domains. Choose the option to connect existing domain. Enter your GoDaddy domain name, e.g., yourdomain.com, and click Next. After entering your domain, Shopify will automatically begin the verification process. To check the connection, head back to the Domain section in Shopify. Click on the domain you just connected, and then click Verify Connection. Keep in mind that this process can take up to 48 hours for DNS changes to fully propagate. If you want your GoDaddy domain to be the primary domain for your Shopify store, you can set it as such in the Shopify admin under the Domain section. By following these steps, you'll have successfully connected your GoDaddy domain to your Shopify store, and customers will now be able to access your site through your custom domain.